Foresters build 30-plus artificial water ponds Kappatagudda. Foresters have constructed more than 30 artificial water ponds on Kappatagudda to ensure a reliable water supply for local wildlife. At a time when natural water sources dwindle during the summer months, these man-made reservoirs now being replenished regularly through water tankers have become a vital lifeline for animals and birds. This initiative has been underway for several years, but the pace has clearly intensified recently. More than 30 artificial ponds are now receiving regular water supply from tankers, enabling wildlife to access drinking water within and around the hillock. The foresters have carefully identified several locations at the heart of Kappatagudda to establish ponds that can collectively cover the entire hillock. Because many of the ponds are situated in the central, elevated sections, it has been a demanding task for tanker drivers to navigate the terrain and climb the hillock to reach remote points for filling. At present, all the major ponds created in the core areas have water. As a result, animals and birds are increasingly visiting the site to quench their thirst. Within the forest landscape around Kappatagudda, sightings and presence include leopards, bears, wolves, black bucks, hyenas, deer, peacocks, porcupines, wild boars, and wild cats. The Forest Department has also developed nearly 20 smaller ponds specifically for smaller birds, keeping these water points at a distance from the larger ponds so that the birds can drink with greater safety and freedom. Across the hillock's principal regions, the department has constructed more than 30 artificial ponds designed to blanket the core areas and reduce the impact of seasonal water scarcity. Filling these ponds began about a decade ago with only a few, and over time the number has expanded to cross 30, an effort that has steadily moved from planning to sustained implementation. Sangmesh Kadgad, a biodiversity researcher, said, "It is a welcome move from the Forest Department that they have built many artificial ponds and are filling water from time to time. We have seen many projects ended before implementation, but now it has been more than a decade, and this is truly humanitarian work." Manjunath Meglamani, RFO from Kappatagudda Hills of Mundargi area, added, "We have created artificial ponds. We are continuously monitoring their adequacy for the fauna using cameras, and based on the observed needs, we will construct additional ponds on the hillock."